Hello everyone. Topic is string in JavaScript. So what is the string? String represent sequence of character and manipulate it. Generally we know that string store the text and characters. So a JavaScript string is zero or more character written inside a quotes, like we are using like single quote, double quotes. So inside a double quotes can be empty. So it will be a string. Consider it will be a string. So we can use strings in two types in JavaScript. Using string literal, normally we can define a string here, and a string can be object. Normally JavaScript string are primitive values. We know about the string are primitive values created from literals. But string can be also defined as an object with keyword new. So we can, as an object string, we can define variable string name. This is the syntax of string as an object. So first we discuss string literal. So this is the syntax of string literal. First we write variable name, and after that string name and value of string name, double quotes or single quotes. We can write our string value in single quotes and double quotes. The output will be same. Both are the same. So we understand it with an example. So in this example, I write here variable and string name. I take a name like Rahul, and I want to write it on screen. So I will save this. So it doesn't get any values. So I have mistake in document. My enqueue is not working proper. So I got the name Rahul. If I write Rahul in a single quotes, I will I got the same result when I use double quotes and single quotes. And in this name, in this string, we can also store a value in double quotes, like Rahul is good. So we can write a good in a double quotes. I will save this. So there is a Rahul is good. So no problem when we use double quotes in a single quotes. And now if you want to store a in the single quotes, this single quotes Rahul is good, we want to store in single quotes, like I write a good in single quotes. So what will be the output? So we go to error. So we cannot use single quotes in a single quotes. But if we want to use this single quotes good. So we need to write here backslash after the single quotes. We can use with the help of this backslash and single quotes. So I will save this. What will be the output? So there we get the output. Rahul is good. And now we will see double quotes. So Rahul is good. I want to put in a single bracket good. So I write a good in a single bracket. So there is no problem. It will fine. But I want to good. I want to write a good in double quotes. So we cannot use double quotes in double quotes any string. So if you want to use double quotes in good, so we write here same like we wrote in a single quotes like backslash and double quote, backslash and double quote. Save this and see the output. So Rahul is good. So this is about the double quotes. And if you want to any or string a backslash, so like I want Ram is good. So I didn't get a backslash. So I put here double backslash. After that we will see the output. So if you want to single backslash in our string, so we put a double backslash in our string. And if you want to like write a string or document write, so we use double quotes like name, and after that break the line, so we write plus sign, and after that we write name or real variable name. So you got the Rahul is good. So that is about our literal string. Now we will move on our second point. So this is string can be object. Normally JavaScript string are primitive values created from literals, but string can also be defined as an object with keyword new keyword. There is a new keyword, we write a string and the value of string. But you don't create a string as an object. It slow down the execution speed, and the new keyword complicates the code. So we understand it with an example. So I'm taking here variable f name I'm taking string literal here. Mohan and here L name this string object. If I taken normal string, string literal and string object. So I want to the type of string, like f name is a string or L name is a object. So I want to know, so run this program and it will return a string and object. So type of f name is a string and type of L name is a object. So f name and L name, there the value of string literal and object string. I put the Mohan and Mohan. So we will compare f name and L name. So after compare f name and L name, we are got both are equal. So we see that Mohan both are the equal. So we got the same value. But I comparing f name and L name with 3 equal sign. So we didn't get any values. So it will show false. So you write here condition else for f name and L name are not equal. So output will be not equal, because this triple equal show the, it compare the type of is object type, like type of string and object. So here f name is a string and L name is object, so it will be show the output false. In simple word, this triple equal is compare the type of, like type of variable, like this is the string and this is object. So this is about the all about the strings, and thanks for watching, friends.